Hi, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to place text on a circle and manipulate that text and hide the circle. I'll scroll down to where I've got a circle and some text already prepared. First step is to click on the circle, shift click to also select the text, and up to text, down to put on path. That's the main step done. What does vary in different techniques is how to rotate the text around the circle. I'll show you my preferred method. First of all, ensure that your snapping tools are turned on here, and this set here is turned on. Sorry, not that one. This set here is turned on. If I turn that set on, and then ensure that this plus sign, which is the rotation centre snapping, is turned on. Now if I click on the circle, you'll see, and click on it again, you'll see there's its rotation centre. That's the point about which we want to rotate the text. But if we click on the text, second time, you can see its rotation centre is not quite the centre of the circle, it's the centre of the text. So if I drag that, it snaps to the centre of the circle. Now if I drag the rotation handle, I can get the text wherever I want, and I think that's a pretty quick and very accurate method of rotating text. You can use the bounding box to ensure you're lined up, or we can click up here and drag a guide down, and we can place the guide and use that to help visually align the text to the same baseline. I'll click on the guide and remove that. Okay, if I want to edit that text, I still can by clicking on the text tool and editing the text there. But beware, this is a mistake I made in a practice for the video. If I click on the text again and go to rotate it, see how it's gone off centre. That's because I've changed the text and its rotation centre has changed. I've got to click on it and drag it back to the circle rotation centre. Now I can drag it around and it's fine. If you wish to place the text on the inside of the circle, select the circle, not the text, the circle, and then click one of the reflection tools, either in a vertical or horizontal axis. If I click this one, you can see it's on the inside, and clicking again undoes that. Or the other, in a reflection tool in a horizontal axis, does the same thing. Of course, if you wish to rotate it, we'll need to click the text again, sorry, a second time, and move the rotation centre to match that of the circle, then drag it round to where we want it. Next step is to hide or get rid of the circle. If I click on the circle and then shift click the red cross in the white square, I can hide the circle. So that's one way. Possibly the preferred way, because we can still then edit the text. I'll Control Z. Another way is to select the text. Well, just before I do that, notice I can select the text, and you might think, yes, they're separate objects, but then if I click the circle and delete it, it takes the text off the circle. So I Control Z to go back to there. Now if I click the text and then go path, object to path, it's now its own path. I can drag it away, do whatever I want, click the circle, delete the circle, and the text is its own entity. So that's another way of getting rid of the circle, but we can't edit the text as easily using the text tool. That completes this tutorial. Once again, thanks for watching.